Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change opportunity owner in Salesforce. This is a common task when opportunities need to be reassigned to different team members, whether due to territory changes, workload distribution, or when deals need to be handed off to someone better suited to close them. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, navigate to the Opportunities tab in Salesforce. This tab houses all your sales opportunities and is typically found in the main navigation bar at the top of your screen. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all the opportunities your team is currently working on. Next, locate and click on the name of the specific opportunity you want to update. This will open the full opportunity record where you can view all the details and make necessary changes. The opportunity page displays comprehensive information about the deal, including the current owner, stage, amount, and other relevant data. Now look for the opportunity information section on this page. Within this section, you'll see a field labeled Opportunity Owner with the current owner's name displayed. Right next to this field, there's a blue Change Owner icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to begin the ownership transfer process. A window titled Change Opportunity Owner will pop up on your screen. In this window, click inside the field labeled Search Users. This search field allows you to find any user in your Salesforce organization who can take ownership of this opportunity. Start typing the new owner's name into the Search Users field. As you type, Salesforce will begin filtering and displaying matching results. Once you see the correct user appear in the list below, select them by clicking on their name. This ensures you're assigning the opportunity to the right person. At this point, you'll notice a couple of optional checkboxes that give you additional control over the transfer. If you want to preserve the existing opportunity team members, click the checkbox next to Keep Opportunity Team. This is helpful when the team structure should remain intact even though ownership is changing. There's also a checkbox for Send Notification Email. If you want Salesforce to automatically notify the new owner about this assignment via email, go ahead and select this option. This can be a good way to ensure they're immediately aware of their new responsibility. Once you've made your selections, click the Change Owner button located at the bottom right of the window. Salesforce will process your request and update the ownership immediately. Finally, take a moment to verify the change was successful. Look at the Opportunity Owner field on the Opportunity page and confirm it now displays the new user's name. This verification step ensures the transfer completed properly. And there you have it. You've successfully reassigned the opportunity to a new owner in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.